What's up, everybody? Welcome to the SATS show, your beginner-friendly guide to saving in Bitcoin. What's up, everybody? Hope everyone is having a great evening. What's up, Leonard? Leonard in the house. Let's go. Oof, man, busy day. Hope you had a good day today. It's crazy. It's crazy. So today we're gonna do what we always do. It's Thursday, so we're gonna buy some SATS, see what the price of Bitcoin is, see what our stack is looking like, and it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. So let's get into it. Let's jump into the SAT strength index. SAT strength. All right, so today, for $1, you could buy 3,341 satoshis. Not bad, not bad at all. It's a pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. Actually, a very good deal. Who knows? It might go down a little bit, might come up. Doesn't matter. We're buying regularly, regardless of price, because over the long term, we want to hold as many SATs as possible because it's a scarce asset. Let's go with how many SATs you can get for a penny today. Find a penny, pick it up, and all the day you'll have 33, almost 33 and a half satoshis. Can you imagine if this was ever the opposite? If like it took 33 pennies to buy one satoshi. We'd be set. We would be set. And you wouldn't even have to. And you wouldn't even have to have saved that much Bitcoin, right? $1,000 in Bitcoin, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin right now might be all you need. It's wild, right? Like, even though we're doing this for the show. Okay, let me kill that music and just go into this right away. The music is so intense. What I was saying is, it seems like a game that we're buying Bitcoin on this show at like $10 a day. It seems like it's like, yeah, whatever, it's just $10 a day, it's not a big deal, right? But if you look at the value of the dollar over the past 100 years, it's lost its purchasing power at a rate of about 99%. So something you could buy for $1 100 years ago is going to cost you $100 today, right? So let's just do 50 years instead of the 100 years. And we're not that far off, right? Like, yeah, maybe we don't. Maybe I don't have another 50 years in me, but like my kids do, right? And if all trends stay the same, if it was a constant, which it's not, it's exponential, the rate they're printing money at, that means that over the next 50 years, maybe the dollar will lose even more of its current value. And when that happens, the inverse is happening to Bitcoin. So you could be in a situation where you're closer to retirement than you think, just based off of some $10 buys, $10 daily buys. Yeah, it's wild. It's wild. But yeah, that's something to think about during the Why We Stack segment. So yeah, pretty crazy, huh? Pretty crazy. All right, let's finish that up and jump into the stack recap. Stack recap. All right, so it looks like we are at 5% gain. We spent $436 to buy 1.5 million Satoshis. Oh my god. Oh man. 1.5 million Satoshis. And currently valued at 458 Satoshis. So if we were to start from scratch today, we'd have to spend $458 to get the same amount of SATs since we've been buying it for a couple months, right? Who knows? Well, remember, what's important here is not these numbers. What's important is that these numbers keep going up every day that you purchase, every day that you stack. Okay, so we're going. That's what it is today. Today is the 20th, 23, and therefore, let's see something. Yeah, that's a stack recap, huh? Okay, I think we're almost ready to do today's buy. Let's see. What's today's buy? Here. Yep. Here we go. Back to the browser. For the, oops, here we go. From here to here. It's time to stack some sats. Here we go. It's time to stack some sats. I'm gonna go over to swanbitcoin.com. You can get yourself $10 worth of Bitcoin if you sign up with our affiliate link. The affiliate link is stacksatshow.com/swan. Put it in the chat for you. There we go. Buy. You buy $10 worth. Change this. Preview my buy. Copy my notes. Okay. Back. And here we go. Just like that. We're getting ready to stack some sats with Swan Bitcoin. Cut the music. And drum roll, please. Shout out, say hello in the chat. If you don't have any sats, stay tuned. Woo, there it is. We stacked sats with Swan. And so there it is. Now let's update our spreadsheet with the purchase from today and see where we stand. Shout out if you're watching, hit subscribe and leave a comment in the chat. And if you don't have any Satoshis at the moment and you're not familiar with the Lightning Network, we'll get you set up today and I will send you 1,000 sats today. It's about 20 cents worth of Bitcoin. But hey, you gotta start somewhere. And in the future, who knows how much that 1,000 sats will be worth. Okay. Here we go. Let's update this. Okay, so our spreadsheet's here. We bought at $29,998. $29,998. Yep. We bought $10.10. About $10 worth, and it cost us 10 cents to buy it. And that gave us 0.1233347 Satoshis. Or that much Bitcoin. But if we convert it to Satoshis, then it's 33,347 Satoshis. Not bad. Just change the color of the cell. Okay. I'm alternating the colors so you guys can see different days. And it's easier to track horizontally. All right. So, all right? Yep, that's right. So our SAT count is 1,566,598 satoshis. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Next thing you know, this will be 0.02 sats and then 0.03 sats. And it's pretty cool. I think on average, if you can get to $1,000 worth of sats right now, it's like basically 0.03 or 0.025, then you're ahead of the curve, because a lot of people don't even know about Bitcoin. Haven't even heard of it, but you're ahead of the game. And if you can get in now before the big institutions come in with the big money, then you will be, it's like the easiest way to get ahead. Okay. You gotta get on that life raft. Okay. So is that it for the purchase? Yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Today we stack. Tomorrow we stack again. And we'll be back again we'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 Pacific Standard Time to stack more sats. If you have any questions, put it in the chat or in the replay, and I will review those and come back and answer your questions. I know it's a broad topic. There's a lot of things to talk about, but let's just talk real quick about what HODL means, right? I think, right? Stacks on stacks on stacks. That's right, Leonard. I think HODL was a misspelling for hold, and then someone else or some people decided it stood for hold on for dear life. But the idea is the same. The idea is that you get your Bitcoin, you move it off the exchange into self-storage, into self-custody on a hardware device, preferably, and off the internet, and then you hold on to it and you keep stacking. And naturally, by the way that the government prints money and continues to inflate the money supply, the inflation of the money supply lowers the purchasing power of the dollar, and as it does, the value of your Bitcoin stack or the value of your sats goes up relative to the dollar. So you don't have to do anything else. You don't have to trade it. You don't have to trade it for other coins. Just Bitcoin only, and just buy and hold, buy and hodl. That's all you got to do. Okay. Let's see. The Bitcoin halving is going to happen in 231 days. Usually a year after the Bitcoin halving, we'll have a big we have a big resurgence. Or not resurgence, but a big bull run. I don't even think I have that diagram in here anymore. Do I have it in here? Oh no, that's not. That's Bitcoin blocking inflation from socking you in the face. Choo! What's the other one I had? Let's review this one real quick. It's like, how much Bitcoin do I need to be in the top 0.1% with inequality, like, say, America? Yeah, see, to be in the top 0.1% in America of Bitcoin holders, we're almost there on the show, guys. Even as the show is, we're almost there. What? You need what? $716 worth of Bitcoin. So 0.024 Bitcoin. Is that right? No, that can't be right. This must be an older. This must not account for the. It probably doesn't account for the current price of Bitcoin. I don't know. I don't know how this works. It's just a chart I was looking at earlier. Anyway, I thought I had something else on here. There it is. There it is. The Bitcoin halvings that have happened so far, right? There's one more that's not in this chart, but like, see when the Bitcoin halving started here? Then about a year later, boom. Or is it 2 years? Probably about 2 years. But a year into it starts. See? Bitcoin halving right there. And then we have the bear run. And then we get set up for the Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving happens. Boom. About a year later. Bam, son. Jeez. And then we're back down to the bottom, which was, I mean, I think it was 15,500 for one Bitcoin. The high over here was 67,000 for one Bitcoin. So we are about 10 months away from the next halving. And then from there, we have to wait another year, and then it should be like up here somewhere. Right? It's crazy, right? It's crazy. Anyway, those are some charts for you to check out. It's pretty cool. And with that, we've stacked today. Chill music on here. Questions and answers. What up, Leonard? When are you going fishing? Oh, Leonard, I got that Call of Duty skin, and I'm feeling the Call of Duty right now. So I'll hit you up after the show. If you're around. Gotta try out that skin. All right, guys. Thanks for watching today. Thanks for stacking. If you have any questions, give me a call. No, give me a call. If you have any questions, come back into the chat. I'm here every day. 8:15 Pacific Standard Time. Except for Wednesdays. Wednesdays we start a little bit later, about 8:30. But most of the time it's 8:15 Pacific Standard Time. And see you there. All right. Have a good night. Thanks, Leonard. Thanks, everybody.